Hello guys, AlexTheGrumpyOne here. I hope you're well. So today I'm doing a quick video as I'm excited. I got a new toy here and I just wanted to share it with you, show you what's in the box. So this is another tool from Draper tools and I'm going to be doing a video on a review and demo of this. So let's have a look what we got in the box, guys. Right guys, so let's get the box open and see what we got inside. Here we are. It's a Draper intelligent battery charger for the 12 volts. So this is the new tool. I'm going to be, like I said, doing a video on the review and demo of this. This is the perfect product if you want to keep your battery life pretty much extended and obviously charge your car up. This is perfect for the winter time, or even if you haven't used your vehicle for a while. I would definitely put that on it because it's not only going to extend the battery life, but obviously it will charge it up while you're not using the vehicle, and that will save you money on buying a new battery. Right, so this also comes with the permanent installation kit as well, which is very handy. You can just leave it in your car and then you just simply plug and play. So let's open the box. There we go. We've got the manual here as well. They're obviously going to explain you how to use it and the safety precautions as well, because when you're charging the battery you need to make sure that the battery is, if it's off the vehicle, it needs to be in a well ventilated area as well, because you're going to produce chemicals and that can cause an explosion or fire, so you need to be careful with that. So please make sure you read the manual before you use it, and obviously that will explain you about all the functions and everything else. So here we got the kit that you can install in your vehicle. We're going to go through that as well. And here's the tool. So that's great. Obviously explains all the types of batteries that you can use it on, which is the great selection that you got there. I'm going to be using it on quite a few different batteries because I've got some vehicles with auto start, so that's going to be great for that as well. Right guys, so here we are, got the battery out of the vehicle. So it is recommended if the battery is quite low to remove it off the vehicle because when everything's plugged in it might damage your alternator on some vehicles. So like I say, it is recommended when it's completely low to remove it off the car, place it in a well ventilated area, and obviously let's connect it. Make sure you put obviously positive on the positive and negative on the negative, and as soon as it's connected, like I said, you got a mode button there. You can choose the type of the battery at the top that you're charging, and like I said, this has got microprocessor, which is a great feature. It will automatically control the voltage that I need to produce to the battery charging, and as well as the amperage, and it will be controlling it through the whole process so your battery doesn't get overheated or etc. So it will basically read the conditions of your battery and provide it with the adequate charge to, like I said, extend the life of it and fully charge it. Right guys, so it's been like 4 hours I would say, because I was working on the other car, and it come up with the message saying full. So obviously the battery is completely charged now, which is great. I mean, obviously it might be different times for different batteries, but like I said, this one it took about 4 hours, and I'm gonna unplug it all and fit the battery back in the vehicle and try to start the car, because like I said, I had to push the car out and in for last 2 days, and obviously hopefully it will start now with this battery. Right guys, so I fitted the battery back in the car, so make sure you fit everything properly and do everything up. So I'm going to try and start up the vehicle now and see if the charger worked and if the battery is fully charged. So there you go, the alarm is working, that's a good start. Let's get in and start the vehicle up. All the lights are on. I got a little multimeter there that's showing that it got 12.2 volts, so that's great. Let's try and start it up. Great. There we are. So it's obviously charged the battery fully. That's good news. I'm going to turn the car off because I got my door shut at the back. Great. So as you can see guys, it obviously worked. So I'm happy with the results so far. Right guys, so here we are. I think I saved myself a battery today thanks to this little charger. So far the results are positive. I've started the car about 5 or 6 times and it starts every time. The little multimeter is showing that the charge is perfect. It's also taking charge from the alternator now. I say this because I've tested the battery before and it come up as very low and they possibly not going to take any charge. But like I said, thanks to this tool with the processor they got, it definitely worked, restored the battery. I probably will charge it for a bit longer because it says that you should charge it longer than just 4.5 hours. So we'll do that and see what the results are like. And I also would like to try this on my Scirocco and the Tiguan because they got the auto start batteries which are slightly different and they are quite expensive batteries. So if this works, that's just perfect. So I will try that and I'm gonna post the results in the comment below. Also guys, I'm gonna put the link, direct link for this tool as it's a new tool that they got in my description below. And I'm also going to put the link to the website as well, so you can go and check all different products they got, because they got many different types of chargers there as well, depending on what you're going to need it for. This was a good option for me, so I'm definitely happy with that, guys. And also, Draper Tools got plenty of different tools, guys. Every time I go on their website, I find myself so many tools from my workshop that is just mental, because, like I said, the choice is brilliant. I have bought a few new tools as well from them. That I'm going to be doing reviews on soon. So yeah guys, if there's anything else you want to know about this tool, or if you want a video on a review and demo of some other products from Draper Tools, then please let me know guys. I'll be more than happy to do it for you. So yeah guys, I think this is pretty much it for today. Thank you very much for watching my video. It would be nice to have a like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. Bye.